Look! Wait! What is it? Yeah! Do you know what is a Pokemon? Okay. Alright, now let's try to see. What's this? Wait! What is it? It's a... Ah, this one. What is it? Woof, woof. This one. Look. Dog. Very good. All right. What about this? Let's try to see. Where is the dog? The cat, sorry. Okay. Oh, this one. Take a look. What is it? Bing. Wait. What is it? What is it? Cat. Good job.
What's this? Eyes, nose, mouth. Very good. Good job. Okay, that's great. Now what about this one? Ear. Yes. Okay, one more time. Ear. Yeah, very great. Okay, ear. Like ear. Yeah, so let's say this one. Ear. Mouth. Nose. Eyes.
If me, I will be a witch and use magic.
Okay.
If me or not.
I'll give you a lot here.
I give 10 seconds to you.
Okay.
9.
What?
8.
Here you go. And here you go.
I take some first.
Okay.
Number what, Ashishima? It's a...
It's a horse.
This one? Horse? Huh? Moo.
It's a cow.
Very good. It's a cow. How about this one? Ba.
It's a man.
Very good. How about this one? Quack. Quack. Okay. It's a
dog.
very good. How about it's a pig. And the last one?
A horse.
It's a horse. Yes. Give me 10. Give me 10, Kimmy. Very good. Yay.
What about teacher Jazz? Do I have a big nose? Oh no.
Yes.
Yes.
You have a big nose. Very big.
Very big nose. You can't see my face anymore. Now, dear, what about me? Look at my ears. Look at my ears, my dear. Are they big or small?
You have 2 very big ears.
2 big ears. Good job. What about you? I have
two.
ears.
I have 2 small ears.
Yeah, very good. Good job. Give me 5. Good.
No, Johnson, again. Where is your mouth? Where's your nose? Very good. Now say one mouth.
One mouth,
Now
wet
say
ears.
one nose.
Wet nose.
And say 2 ears. 2 ears.
And 2
And 2
ears.
eyes. Okay?
Okay.